Guys, I'm bringing you back, and as you can see, look at the meter. It is off 0 and I needed to get to 10 pounds. So the regulator is on, so I am happy that the dial moved this time. So I'm waiting patiently for that little needle to get to 10-pound pressure, and then once I get to 10 pounds pressure, then I will start a timer for 25 minutes, and I have to keep that needle on that 10. I can't let it go below it, and I can't let it go past it. It has to be on 10, and if it goes below it, then I have to start this all over again. And like I said before, I've already done this. This is my second time doing this, so I'm not trying to do it again. So I'm waiting patiently for it to get to 10. So far so good. So I'm just gonna wait here till it gets to 10, and then I'm just gonna camp out at my table over here when it gets to 10 pounds pressure, and then just wait, set my timer for 25, and then I'm just gonna sit there and stare at this gauge for 25 minutes. And then once my 25 minutes are over, I'm going to cut the heat off, and I'm not going to mess with the regulator at all until my gauge goes down to 0. Alright, so far so good. It's getting close to the 10, so as you can see, it's almost there. So I will come back later in this video after the 25 minutes, and then I will take the green beans out after this gauge has gone to 0, and then I'll let it cool down a little bit more, and then I'll make a part 3 of me taking my green beans out of this canner. Alright guys, keep the prayers coming. So far so good. It's almost at 10, and I don't want to be making a video when it gets to the 10, because your girl Renee has got to focus. Alright, so far so good. It's off the 0. So it lets me feel good that my gauge is working. Working, and I don't have to send this pressure canner back. Alright guys, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll be back later with the finished product. Alright, take care. Oh, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, because if you guys don't know, whew, I am always up to something, and my heart is beating so fast because I'm nervous, because this is my first time. Okay, with that being said, your girl gotta go, because it's almost on 10. Alright, bye.